Mix beans. Put it into pot. Like this, not too much. Put some water into it. Prepare potatoes, onions, bell peppers, and carrots. Cut them up. Cut potatoes. Cut onions. Cut garlic also. Yes. Salt, boiling peas. Add carrots. Add potatoes. Boil peas for 40 minutes, then add everything. Add clove spice, add meat spice, like so. Black pepper, spice it up, mix it. Add turkey meat, ground turkey, and cook for 20 more minutes. Yummy. Look at this nutritious pea soup. Service. Look at that. So thick and nutritious. Let's try it. So delicious. Like, share, and subscribe, my friend.